Today I'm going to show you how to make these mini gold frame magnets using your AdTech Glue Gun. All you need is some cardstock, some wallet-sized photos, a Sharpie, gold leaf sheets, and a hot glue gun. You will also need a pair of scissors, a paintbrush, and some magnets. Start by using your Sharpie to trace frame shapes directly onto your photos. Simple shapes work best. Then cut out each of the photos. Try to cut away all of the Sharpie lines. Although it's okay if a little bit is showing, we're going to be able to cover it up in the next step with some hot glue. Once all your photos are cut, take a small dab of hot glue on the back of each photo and glue them down to the cardstock. Then use your glue gun to create a hot glue frame around the entirety of the photo. The glue should be touching both the paper and the photo. Work slowly and keep the temperature on a low setting for the best control. Give that a minute to fully dry, and then you're ready to add your gold leaf. These sheets are very delicate and very clingy, so try to hold it lightly and place it down as flat as you can. Gently pat the gold leaf and it will stick to the hot glue. Now you can use your dry paintbrush to fully secure the gold while brushing off the excess. The more you brush, the gold will begin to flake off. It will stick to the glue but not to the photo or the paper below. Then grab your scissors and cut out each of the frames. You can brush off any of the excess gold flakes in the process. Now we're almost finished and they should look a little bit something like this. The last step is to attach our magnets to the back. And then you have the cutest little gold frame photo magnets. I hope you enjoy this project and we'll see you next time for the next AdTech DIY.